保护环境爱追求永续的发展。即马荷兰有企业家连伊的新hiệu书拢有照顾地球永续的发展。这是推出唔免错树啊、唔免错茶的有机观察，一个半月就会当互内底微体自动分解，回归大自然。
白色的外形看起来真有现代感的设计，这是荷兰生技公司的产品蘑菇观察，这不是看大的行销广告。为着要保护环境，这么真侪产品拢会考虑到永续，连人死了装尸体的观察，也袂当真做地球的负担。
Yeah, so we don't make stuff; we grow stuff. We grow mushroom-based coffin, and we do it from mycelium, which is the root structure of mushrooms, and upcycled hemp fiber. And together we grow them in a mold in only 7 days into a finished product that within the soil biodegrades in only 45 days.
一直拢伫咧关心环境保育，生技公司2位30岁左右的创办人，伫树林内面观察到蘑菇会当帮助奥茶转化做新生命，就想着讲要做环保观察。 每一个观察，先伫内底层除大野草，虽然确实蘑菇唔是茶，又会当动人的重量。
So what we can see here is the root structure of mushrooms, and here we see all the wires that makes the product so naturally strong.
用友善环境的创作方式是这几年的趋势。蘑菇观察是用会当生物分解材料，唔免过去做10几年大丛的树啊。 如果会当加速尸体分解，避免污染土壤，和蒙阿波附近的生态环境会当得到改善。因那民众若是要用烧的，买当用环保的骨头糊红。
So this one is a beautiful combination of a regular urn in which you can put in the ashes, but with a tree on top. So if you put this in the soil, this will biodegrade and enrich nature.
这么一卡蘑菇观察就要995欧元，同款材料的骨头糊红是197欧元。 厂商一个月会当生产500个单位的产品，销到欧洲，也甲当地殡葬业者合作，提供民众6个特殊的木鱼会当台，和人生的hiệu事会当正环保。公司新闻，牛眼编译。